flex on a nigga, he should be embarrassed. Walking the party, the jeans is Mary. All for the burgers, I'm feeling delirious.
Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to listen to unreleased offline music on Spotify, on your phone, and on any device offline. Guys, please remember, I'll try to keep this video as quick and as informative as I can. I always try to help you guys as much as I can without wasting your time. So let's hop into it. The first thing you guys are going to need is some MP3s to put into Spotify. So the first thing you guys do need to know is that for Spotify, when you're importing unreleased tracks, they have to be in MP3 format. Another thing I noticed is this is my unreleased rap folder. If I come to one of these songs like Lil Uzi Tater Tots, this song is a grail, by the way, I love it. You guys have to make sure that your songs are in MP3 format, and under the details page, the year cannot be in here, as well as like some other things like encoded. These things will mess up Spotify. I'm not sure why that is, but you just want to remove those. You can leave the artist name and stuff. But now that you guys know that, make sure that the tracks are in MP3 and they don't have stuff in the details tab. Next, we need to open up Spotify. Alright, now that we are inside of Spotify, I'm gonna move my webcam up to the top right now. Alright guys, now that we are in Spotify, you guys are gonna want to navigate up to the top left and go to Edit, and then down to Preferences. We're going to be looking down here for local files right here. You're going to want to make sure that you check this on, show local files. Then once you guys turn that on, you're going to want to come down to add source, and you're going to add a source that you want Spotify to draw MP3 files from. Once you've picked it, it will come up here just like this. As you can see, users, rap, unreleased. Now you guys are going to want to come over to your library. In your library, you're going to want to come to your local files. And in here are all the MP3 files that Spotify has now pulled from your computer. Now guys, wait, we are not done yet. There is still a major part in doing this. If we want to get these files onto our phone, we first need to add them all to a playlist and then sync them and download them onto our phone. Scrolling through these unreleased songs, I'm going to pick one that I don't already have on my phone. Alright guys, now for the tutorial, I'm going to add in a new unreleased Juice song I found into my unreleased folder. Now let's restart Spotify, and when we come back into our local files and type in Walk This Way, as you can see, Juice WRLD Walk This Way, we're going to add it to a playlist. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a new playlist. As you can see, it's a new playlist now. We're going to call this Video. Alright, now before we hop over to the phone and do our last steps, there's one more thing we have to do. We have to make sure that we have downloads checked. Make sure that you check off download, because that is the real way that you're saving these songs. Alright guys, before we hop over to our last step, you're going to want to tap these three dots and make sure you check off download. Now I think it's time that we can hop onto the phone and set up our last step. Alright guys, now that we're on Spotify on the phone, it's pretty simple from here. We're going to come over to your library and let's scroll down and find video. Now if there's no songs in the playlist, don't be worried. This is normal. What you guys are going to want to do is make sure that you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your computer, and then you're going to want to download on your phone. Once you download, you should just be able to restart Spotify, and once we come back into the video playlist, Juice WRLD Walk This Way is now on our phone, and we can listen to it anywhere we want. So as you guys can see, this can be extremely useful. I have a whole playlist on my Spotify called Unreleased, where I have a ton of bops. I told them boys, let's get it. Hold up, for the real ones who are staying right now, I need to show you Solo by Lil Uzi. His best unreleased song I've ever heard. Listen to this drop real quick. No, I did it all on my Solo gang, you know I take my time on it. Make you girl get me hit and she lose her mind on it. It's long enough I do that girl that she can slide on it. Okay. Since she turned around and ride on it. Cameras out, no you cannot go and get shy on it. Uzi, if you are ever hearing this, drop that song. Drop it. Drop it. But anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helps someone out. I know that I've been loving my unreleased music lately since drops have been kind of dry. But we got some big albums coming up. If you guys would like to see some videos covering some more rap and hip hop related stuff, let me know, because I like making content like this. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. This has been Josh or Fusion.